Is your HP printer refusing to print black ink? Here's how to fix it tutorial. First, check if the black cartridge is installed correctly and has enough ink remaining. Next, run the Printhead cleaning tool from your printer settings or the HP Smart app. If black still doesn't print, perform a nozzle check. And repeat the cleaning cycle once or twice. Gently clean the cartridge contacts with a lint-free cloth. Avoid touching the ink nozzles. Now print a test page. In most cases, your black ink should be... Are the lights on your HP printer flashing? Don't panic. You start by turning the printer off and unplugging it for 66 seconds. Next, check for paper jams, even tiny pieces stuck inside the printer. Remove both ink cartridges. Then reinstall them until they click into place. Turn the printer back on and wait for it to finish initializing. If the lights stop flashing, print a test page to confirm everything is working.
If the issue continues, reset the printer or update its firmware. Follow for more HP printer fixes.